Varsechain, which is a new technology based on the real-time blockchain that is reaching with the extraordinary levels of adoption. Varse, a cryptocurrency which is the symbol of the Varsechain, that designed to be convenient way with functional and secure featuring an active lightning network. The daemon, which is a GPU mineable coin, also can be used as a GPU mining. So it has the own core wallet. In here you can see it's about that the three option is available as a core wallet you can choose in here. So the first one is the Windows wallet, the second one is the ARM64, and the last is the Ubuntu 20. But you can choose any of the exchange wallet, but this is not the recommendation to use the exchange wallet. Also, provided the miners can be used as a GPU mining or the CPU mining, the miner tools is here is the XMD, WildRig Multi, and the SRB Miner. So you can choose any of these three miners as a GPU mining or as a CPU mining. So Varse, which is also engaged with the Smartnode collateral, which is a proof of stake based, and 50% of the max supply is added, and the 40% for the GPU miners and also the CPU miner, and for the 10% which is secured by the development. So in here you can see if you choose the Smartnode and if you choose the API at the 100%, in order to activate the Smartnode you need to hold 7 lakh Varse coin in your wallet and follow the instruction that the documentation page already have, and you can use the shared Smartnode services and start to earn from the Smartnode collateral. So the block time is the 2 minutes and the symbol is the Varse, name is the Varsechain, algorithm is the Ghost Rider, and this is the max supply. The block rewards is the 5000. Proof of stake or the Smartnode is about 50%, and this is as a proof of stake. As a CPU or the GPU miners they have the 40%, and this is as a proof of work based, and the development which is a 10%. The block time is the 2 minutes. Smartnode collateral which is needed, also the API is the 100%, it's about 7 lakh, and the P2P port 17088. So what's going on everyone, hope you have a great day. So here I am back on another video. I am Surojit and welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to try on another new mineable coin, and this is also a GPU mineable coin and also as a CPU mineable coin. So both can apply you as a GPU miner or as a CPU miner, but on the other hand you can choose as a Smartnode. So this is about the Varse. I make some as a introduction, it's about Varse. So without getting delay, it's about the Varsechain. The main features I just saying one more time, it's about that they have the own core wallet, so you can choose any of this. It's about the Ubuntu core and the ARM64. The source code which is available for the Smartnode collateral, so you can choose the Smartnode collateral if you are going to choose as a Smartnode that run as a proof of stake. So this is the GitHub site for the Varsechain, and I just apply on this new releases in here, that is the 0.16.18.07, the official releases. There is the listed details in here that I provided in here, that here you can see it's about. You can join on this community, so they have Discord site also available, the Twitter site. So if you choose the Twitter, you can see in here this is the main Twitter account. It's about 309 follower right now. This is a new coin, it's kind of like a, so you can say it's about the new GPU mineable coin, also a new CPU mineable coin, and I choose right now Varse coin, which is for the best revenue, because you know that right now there is not too much profitability. Curlson which is in here you can see, if I just refresh on the hashrate.no, Curlson is not profitable right now, as the max profitability it's about $1 to $2 on any of this GPU you can make as a Curlson mining, but right now Curlson is not profitable, and also not as a revenue that you can generate the max revenue as a Curlson mining, because on the first time when I make this video, it's about that how to mine Curlson. On this time it's about 22 Curlson I can achieve on my 3060 card. Then when I make this video, it's about 11 to 6 Curlson per card I can generate as a 24 hours to mine Curlson. So that's why I'm not mining Curlson right now. So I just mine some GPRX for the best revenue, and there is I got some GPRX, so I hold this. Let's see that the price is going up, then I can sell it. And right now I'm go to mine the Varse, because right now Varse is going up and the revenue and the profitability also going to be a high. If you mine Varse on your GPU, then on the 3060 card right now is 2103 watts you can generate as a high overclock setting. Also you can choose as a medium overclock setting, and this is the overclock setting that the co-op set is the 250, locked core clocks is 1500, and the memory clocks is 5000, and the power limit is 170. So overall you can see that this is the main website. They have the own wallet. If I choose on the Explorer, you can see in here this is the Explorer that you can see on the network movement and some other Smartnode Explorer. All the details is provided in here, and this is for the Smartnode. If you are choosing as a Smartnode, then you can choose this ones. They provided the guide, so you can choose any of these if you are choosing as a Smartnode. And if you are choosing the miner tools, they provided the total 3 miners on there: XMRig, WildRig and the SRB Miner. So total 3 miners you can choose as a GPU or the CPU mining. And here is the Bitcoin talk. So I choose on the Bitcoin talks, and there is some provided about some Varsechain. There is also some latest mining pools, the wallet, and some other details or the links is provided on there, so you can check it out on there. So without delay, go to the price section. So on the Litecoin watch right now, Varsechain price is 0.000201. On the other hand is the Coin Paprika. There is also is kind of like a same the price. And on the Coin Checkup, this side I just follow in here because there you can see the health of this any of this coin in here. So you just log in and sign up and log in on this site on the Coin Checkup, coin supply, total market volume, total crypto market or the market cap, the price, all the details is showing in here. So you can choose any of this in here. So this is the best for the analyze any of this crypto coin. Now I'm going to the hiveos, but before going to the hiveos, let's go to the mining stats. So there is a lots of server pool is available on there, the Z pool, R plant, and the mining for people Zerk pool. It's about 19 server pool is available, but I'm not choosing any of this one. I am going to choose the R plant or the mining4people.com. But maybe I'm not going to choose the R-Plan server because right now Z-Pool is going to be a top and the R-Plan is going to be easy and can like a same settings and all the things. But also in here that I'm choose the mining4people.com because Varsechain in hiveos is available as a mining4people server that can be used as a auto server pool. So that's why I'm going to choose the mining4people.com. Now let's go to the price on the exchanges. There is only the ZX is available that is listed the words, and here you can see the total market cap and the circulation, some USDT values, ticker name, and some others, the website explorer, social community site, all the details link is provided on that. And this is the main Twitter, 43 tweets is right now available, and the only exchanges is right now is the ZX. And in here you can see they provided also in their market price right now on the ZX it's about 0.002. so if I choose on the 4 hours chart, and I am going to use this time to mine Varse and hold some coins because in here I hope the price is going up again and maybe I can sell it out in there. It's about 0.004, or maybe I just hold for some time. Let's see that right now is the price is 0.02, so that's why I'm just mine and hold some coins on my ZX exchange wallet. And in here this is my exchange wallet address that can be used as a GPU mining. So I'm not using any of this code wallet because right now I'm not that I just mine continuously on this Varsechain, so that's why I'm not using the core wallet. This is for the testing purpose also, and also I'm not hold too much this coin on this any of these exchanges, just I sell it out and get the better price. So right now the price is 0.002, so that's why I'm just choosing my exchange wallet. So I just copy in that, and now let's go to the hiveos, and this is my hiveos account, and here we can see I just logged in 14, and in here you can see that my both 3060 card is continuously mining on Nexapao, and this is run as a nice as mining. So I just continuously mine Nexapao because right now the price is not going too high and the profitability is not going too high. So Kaupao mining is going to be a best on 3060 card. It's our 0.50 cents before the electricity, but on the other hand is the Nexapao is something like 0.36 to 37. This is I think going to be a good because Kaupao it's about 140 watt and Nexapao is taking it's about 110 to 100 watt on my 3060 card. So I think this is going to be easy for me, and also they generate some Bitcoin. So if I hold this Bitcoin on my nice ass, then this going to be a better revenue in the later. So that's why I just continuously mine Nexapao, and as a you can say it's out that I can generate some other coin that I make this video. It's out that I am also mining. Yeah, that's sure I am also mining and hold this coin on my exchange wallet, not to any cold wallet or the hardware wallet or anything can say. This is the thing that I just do right now on this situation because this is not the correct time as a bull run, because the mining coin which is I am going to mine as a GPU mining, this is not going too much up that provided me the best profitability as a GPU mining. So that's why I just hold and mine all this coin as a GPRX, Miku AI, Maxiter, Paprika, Ape Society, all this coin I just mine and hold as a 1 day or the 2 day. Otherwise I continuously mine on the nice hash. Let's see that what is the profitability. So let's go to the hiveos, and this is my wallet section, and I just add my wallet. So choose the Varse. By the way, Varse is not available, so the logo is not provided in there. So I just choose the Varse, copy my exchange wallet and paste on in there, set the name Varse as Zegex and create the wallet, and now go to the flat sheet in here. So let's see that in here I just applied. So again I just copy on that, or I just edit on there. So this is going to be a good. So I choose the Varse in here, choose the Varse Zegex, and in here we can see that I'm not using the Arplan, because if I choose the Arplan then that is I'm going to choose as a configure in miner, but mining for people is available. So that's why I'm choosing the mining for people server, and I'm choosing the USA server in there. Here we can see that the USA low is the US mining for people.com is 3413, but don't choose the USA high start version, choose the USA low version. But you can choose the other server pool, but choose always the low because this is going to be a good for you, and apply on changes. On the miner I am choosing the WildRig Miner. So total is the 4 miners is available as a Varse mining that hiveos is provided or the recommended, that the CPU miner OPT for the CPU mining, XMRig for the you can choose as a Nvidia or the AMD cards, or as a CPU mining WildRig and the SRB Miner. But in before I select or start as a test on the SRB Miner, but SRB Miner is not going to be a successful, so that's why I'm not choosing the SRB Miner right now. I'm going to choose as a WildRig Miner and set the name in here. I just change as a WildRig Miner, and on the setup config file in here you can see the hash algorithm as the default is the Ghost Rider. In there the world.worker name. On URL section choose the URL because as a auto server pool option, and on the password section choose as a X, and this is my overclock setting that I set on here. But in here we can see I also apply the power limit, also choose the fan speed option in there, because there is a one thing is happening when I choose on the SRB miner, then that is it's not mining or some error I just found on that. And the other hand is on the WildRig Miner, if you choose the direct overclock setting as a fan speed on the direct overclock setting as a power limit also in the direct overclock setting, then your hash rate is going to be up, but there is some rejected shares you can get on your mining. That's why I'm not choosing the power limit and the fan speed option on the direct overclock setting on there. I choose all the extra config argument, or you can say it's about the overclock setting, the memory clock and the core clock, co-offset, power limit, fan speed, all I give in this extra config argument on my flight sheet. So apply on changes. By the way, I'm set this overclock setting that the hashrate.no is recommended on there. So in here you can see that the hashrate.no is shares the medium overclock setting. Core clock offset is 250, locked core clock is 1500, and the memory clock is 5000, and the power limit is 170 that I provided in here. Apply on changes and create the flight sheet. So I already applied, so I just update my flight sheet in here. Move on to the worker. Now hit the rocket button. Let's see that what is the live update on my Varse mining as on WildRig Miner. But before this, I make another flight sheet for you. If you are choosing as a SRB miner, in here I just apply again as a Varse. Choose my exchange wallet, so you can choose any of this. Because I'm choosing Outland server pool in here, so I choose the configure in miner, set the name as a SRB Miner test Varse plus, and in here I choose SRB Miner, and on the set of config file here you can see that the ghostwriter algorithm is take as a default. In here choose world, worker name, pool server, because we choose the custom server, so choose Upland server pool in there, the Varsechain, choose on Upland, choose a version from here, select on the connect option, choose your miner, so I choose SRB Miner, Linux OS, Asia Pacific, and uncheck the SSL version, check on the solo version, and copy the stratum ID from there. On my flat sheet I just apply in there. I think I'm not wrong, but I think this is the stratum plus tcp dot colon stratum asia dot password as a x disable CPU. But if you are choosing also as a CPU mining and also as a GPU mining, so you don't give this argument. But if you are choose only the GPU mining, don't mine as a CPU mining, so just disable on CPU. Apply on changes, and for the overclock setting I just apply this overclock setting from there. So this is the overclock setting that you can choose as on SRB Miner, but don't need to set any fan speed or the overclock setting in here, because this is I am choosing the SRB Miner in there. But you can choose both of this memory clock, it's out 18, or you can choose as a 5000, but 5000 if not working then choose as a 810. And co-offset you can choose any of this 310, 325, or you can choose the medium overclock setting, it's about 250, and the locked core clocks is about 1550, the high overclock setting. And if you choose the medium overclock setting then choose 1500, or you can choose as a 1470, which is the best for the SRB miner. Now apply on changes and create the flight sheet, and it's done. So total I just applied 2 flight sheets. So let's see again on the WildRig Miner. Varsechain wallet is the Varsechain. I'm choosing the mining for people auto server pool and choosing the USA low stuff, and on their WildRig Miner choose the name on the setup miner config, ghostwriter worker name, URL, and password as a X. And this is my overclock setting in here that you can see. Memory clocks 5000, core clock is 1500, co-offset 250, power limit 170, and the fan speed is 70. And on there is the SRB miner. You can see that the same is the coin Varse Zegex exchange wallet. I'm choosing pool configured in miner because I'm choosing the Upland server pool. Set the name in here, choose SRB miner on setup config file, ghostwriter worker name, and this is the stratum plus TCP as stratum Asia Upland server pool in there. And this is my overclock setting. So I give you all the details, the link and the overclock setting on there on my description, so you just copy on that, apply on changes, and update your flight sheet or create your flight sheet. Now let's back to the live update. So this is the live update, and here we can see that my 3060 V1 and V2 card is now mining Varse, and V1 card is take around 113 watt and V2 card it's around 105 watt. So this is run on the US mining for people server, and I'm choosing the WildRig Miner, and the efficiency it's about 10.47 to 11.32, and this is the hash rate, it's about 1 kilo hash. And now let's go to the hiveos again. So this is the live update on hiveos that my both 3060 card is now mining Varse on the miningforpeople.com. The total hash rate is about 2.349 kilo hash, and here we can see this is the hash rate that my both 3060 card V1 card is 1.172 and the V2 card is 1.177. and in here we can see I don't set any auto fan speed option in there, and also not set any overclock setting in here, the power limit and the fan speed and the other thing. All the settings I applied on my flat sheet. The overclock setting, the here we can see this is my flat sheet, the wallet and the ghost rider is the algorithm, and on the extra config argument I said my overclock setting is the memory clock is 5000, code clock is 1500, co-offset is the 250 and the power limit 170 and the fan speed is 70. So this is the overall update, and it's take around 218 watt for my both 3060 card, and this is the hash rate that in here you can see that my both 3060 card is got as a Varse mining. So this is the overall update in here. Here we can see I just continuously mine in there, and the total hash rate it's about 2 kilo hash 2.2. So in here one more thing is that if what I said it's about that if I choose the overclock setting on the power limit and the fan speed direct on there, then the hash rate is going to it's about up and down. One time it goes on the 4 kilo hash and one time it's about 3 kilo hash 2 kilo hash. But if I choose the fan speed and the power limit also in there, and then the hash rate is continuously it's about 2.2 to 2.1 kilo hash I got on my V1 and V2 card both as a Varse mining. But you can also choose as a auto fan speed option in there. So if I choose in there as a auto fan speed option, then you can also get the better result as a Varse mining. This is about that when I start as a direct power limit and the fan speed option. This is for the SRB miner, and this is for the Varse on WildRig is continuously it's about 2.2 2.1 is the same. But again I tried again on the SRB miner, it goes on the 4.1. so this is the hash rate that you can generate as a SRB miner or as a WildRig miner. This is the happen it's here that if you choose the direct overclock setting, and also in the flight sheet choose whatever you are going to like and which is going to be good for you. So this is the overall update in here. So now wrap up in this video, and this is the overall update and all the things. It's about Varse, the core wallet, and the other is the blockchain explorer, and some about it's about the Varsechain, the total supply, and all the related things I share in here. So this is the overall thing, and this is my YouTube channel, and there is a lots of videos available on there. So if you choose any of this video, and if you think that this video is going to be helpful for you and to get more videos about like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. So have a great day. I will see you in the next one.